Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is a stylish and cozy mobile house. Aerodynamic and contemporary exterior, evolved iconic design, preserving distinctive Volkswagen design features including balanced proportions and sleek body lines, adaptive LED lighting, and all-LED lighting system with automatically adjusting characteristics will be standard. Simple and secure access. The cabin will be easily accessible thanks to touch-sensitive electric sliding doors. Multipurpose rear door. The rear door may be made to serve multiple purposes, opening completely. High-quality, long-lasting, and environmentally friendly materials will be a key component of flexible and opulent interior design. Well-equipped kitchens. Kitchens will include smart storage space for food and cooking. Utensils. Compressor refrigerators that are efficient, sinks that have both hot and cold water, and portable induction cooktops. Customizable ambient lighting. A range of color selections for an ambient LED lighting system. Modern technology and security. Advanced driver assistance systems ADAS. The newest model of ADAS will be installed in the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome. Intelligent energy management system to optimize efficiency and comfort. The energy management system will automatically control power consumption from the battery, solar panels, and external sources. Enhanced active and passive safety. Passive safety elements like additional airbags are included in addition to ADAS. Fast charging and a large capacity battery. An electric drive with a large capacity battery will provide enough range, convenience, and usability. Integrated control system. An easy-to-use interface may be used to control all of the motorhome's primary features, including the entertainment system, heating and air conditioning, lighting, and energy monitoring. Smart and generous storage area. A range of cleverly crafted storage sections.